So since I cut off the grip from my bike, I need to put the grip back on. I got a little bit of this glue and just have to do it. So first things first, gotta pop the seal on the glue. All right, so apply some of this glue to the handlebar itself. And since this grip is cut, I'm not too worried about it, you know, being on there everywhere, but this way we can get the grip on and it should stay on. All right, so I have a couple zip ties. I'm gonna put the grip on. And I'm gonna put the seam down at the bottom. Normally you would just slide it on. We'll put that right there, get it all closed up. That seam on the bottom anyway. And we'll put a couple zip ties around it. That way we just keep it on there. Keeps it tight, and that glue can set, and then we can take the zip ties off at a later date.
Or just leave them on.
Let's just leave them on. All right, that'll hold that glue in there, let it set, and then we'll take the zip ties off at a later date. But we got the seam right here. It's all put together. I hear a drone. All right, I got the grip re-glued, and it's as easy as that. All right, guys, it's been a couple hours, so let's cut these zip ties off. There's one. There's two. There's three. And it's glued on there. It's not going anywhere. Well, thank you guys for watching this video. I know it was a short one. I'll see you guys next week.